Hi, I'm Karen and I wanted to do a review of the Lucy & Company dog harness that we've been using for about a month. It's padded nicely, but it's still lightweight. It has a front hook on the chest, and it also has a hook on the back. It has very sturdy clips that are easy to work. You simply slip it over their head and then latch this under their body and it works. So I'm going to try putting it on Sophie and you can kind of see how it goes. So that goes down over her head. Put her foot through one side and then latch this right here. And this is adjustable, so you're able to tighten it to make a perfect fit. Sophie and I love it, and we think you might like it too. Thank you.
You want the ball? Ready? Go get it. Ball. Good girl. Good girl. Ready? Go get it.